All right, guys, today I'm going to show you my recipe for homemade beans. Before washing them, I did thoroughly look through each handful before putting them in the pot. You want to look for anything that does not belong in there. Any rocks, any dirt, any sticks, whatnot. I found it before, and you definitely don't want to cook that and have somebody eat it. So once you have it sitting under the water, let the water run and grind your beans together. Hear that? Grind them together. You'll see how foggy your water will get. Toss the water out. Wash them about 2 to 3 times. Now that I've got them washed, I am going to fill it up to water pretty high. And then I'm going to season with salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder to taste. All right, here it is. The water is seasoned and it'll boil for a couple hours on medium. All right, so here we are. I have some chopped onions. I usually put chopped garlic as well, but I don't have that on hand today. Keep in mind that the water will evaporate, so you do have to refill occasionally. And you can always have a pot of boiling water on the stove. For me, I don't really mind. I just put room temp water and then bring it back up to a boil. I'm not in any particular rush. But also, with that being said, because you're adding water here and there, you're going to lose some of the flavoring, the seasonings that you did apply in the beginning. So towards the end, I'll retaste it and then re-season as I go. All right, guys, so here's the final results. I have re-seasoned. I just added some more salt and garlic powder. You'll see here what the texture looks like. I'm going to pinch one just so you can see. Okay, look at how soft that is. Done. And that's when I know that my beans are done. The more you're going to start doing this, then you can even feel that they're done just by mixing it like this. When they're not done, they still feel heavy. But when they're done, they feel like lightness to them. That's when I know that we're there. So then lastly, you want to try your broth. If that broth tastes good to you, there's nothing more that you got to do. So I hope that you find this helpful. And please share with me your experience on following my recipe and what you may have done different. And I'd love to hear your take on it. Thanks. See you on the next.